So question number 143 is from the topic matrix. It is given that A is a non-singular matrix. That means determinant of A would not be equal to 0. Secondly, the expression given is A square plus A is a null matrix. This gives you that A square is equal to minus A. Taking determinant both sides gives you determinant of A square is minus determinant of A, and hence because determinant of A cannot be equal to 0, so determinant of A would be equal to minus 1. This is very clear. Now, what we need to find is adjoint of A raised to power n, determinant of that. How to find that? We know an equation that A into adjoint of A is always equal to determinant of A into I. So we replace A by A raised to power n in this equation, and we get the expression A into A raised to power n into adjoint of A raised to power n would be equal to determinant of A raised to power n into I. Now, if we take determinant both sides in this equation, what we get is determinant of A raised to power n into determinant of adjoint of A raised to power n would be equal to determinant of A raised to power n times I, this expression. Now, it depends whether n is even or odd, because if n is odd, in that case determinant of A raised to power n would be minus 1, and if n is even, clearly determinant of A raised to power n would be plus 1. We would take both of the cases. Here, case 1, n is odd. So if n is odd, this expression is minus 1 into determinant of adjoint of A raised to power n, and this expression if n is odd would also be n square times common, n into n, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, n times common, and hence this expression would also be equal to minus 1, and from here we get adjoint of A raised to power n determinant value would be equal to 1. Now take the second case. Second case is when n is even. Again, if n is even, it's very simple that determinant of A raised to power n would be plus 1. So 1 into adjoint of A raised to power n, and again if determinant of A raised to power n is 1, then it is nothing but determinant of I of nth order. The determinant value would also be equal to 1, and from here also we get that adjoint of A raised to power n is equal to 1 in both of the cases, whether n is even or n is odd, and hence our answer would be A option, that is if n is even, determinant value would be 1. Thank you so much. This question number 144, it is given that y is equal to x times sine of ln of 3x, and we need to find or simplify this particular expression. Clearly in this expression we need to find dy by dx first. So let's find dy by dx from this given equation using the product law to find the derivative. So first let's take x as it is, and derivative of sine of theta would be cos of theta, and by applying the chain rule, derivative of log of 3x would be 1 by 3x into 3. Now take in sine of ln 3x as it is, sine of ln 3x. The derivative of x would be clearly 1. This is very simple. 3 got cancelled out. Again, x got cancelled out, and hence we get the expression of dy by dx as cos of ln 3x plus what? Sine of ln of 3x. Okay? Now we need to simplify this expression. We just put the expression over in this, put the value of dy by dx in this expression and get the answer. Let's do that. So x squared times dy by dx whole square, this gives you cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, plus 2 cos theta sin theta would be what? Sine of 2 theta. So sine of 2 times ln of 3x, right? Plus, in fact, minus 2xy, so minus 2x into y, and y given was x into sine of ln of 3x. So 2x square into sine of ln of 3x times dy by dx, which is nothing but cos of ln of 3x plus sine of ln of 3x, and after that plus 2y square. So plus 2y square again would be what? X square times sine square ln of 3x. So we get the expression. All we need to do is simplify this. Let's do that again. So this would be x square plus x square times sine of 2 ln of 3x minus 2x square sine theta cos theta. Again 2 sine theta cos theta is sine of 2 theta. Hence this expression would be x square times sine of 2 times ln of 3x. Alright. Now the next expression is minus 2x square sine theta into sine theta. So minus 2x square sine square theta, where theta is ln of 3x, and the last expression is plus 2x square sine square of theta ln of 3x. Now carefully observing, everything is ready to get cancelled out. How come? X square sine 2 theta minus x square sine 2 theta minus 2x square sine theta and plus 2x square sine theta. Hence the expression simplifies to x square, which is answer number C. Hence this option would be correct. Thank you so much. Question number 145, which is from trigonometric equation. The equation given is sine of a plus 2b is equal to cos of 2a plus b. One equation. Another, b minus a is equal to pi by 3, where a and b both belong to interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And what we need to find out is value of mod of b by a. How to do that? So clearly a and b are two equations and two variable are there and two equations are there. So if sine of alpha is given to be cos of beta, in that case there are two possibilities given that a and b belong to this interval. One would be that a plus 2b plus 2a plus b is equal to what? Pi by 2. This gives you 3a plus 3b equal to pi by 2. That means a plus b is equal to pi by 6. And the another given equation was b minus a is equal to pi by 3. Clearly simplifying these two equations, adding and then taking the half, would give you b is equal to pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is pi by 2 divided by 2 is pi by 4, and hence the value of a when a plus b is pi by 6 would be minus pi by 12, and hence the value of b by a modulus would be 3. This is one case. Another possible case would have been if this sine of alpha is cos of beta, then difference of these two could also have been equal to pi by 2. So this was case 1. Let's take the case 2. That gives you the difference, yani a plus 2b minus 2a minus b could have been equal to pi by 2, and this gives you b minus a could have been equal to pi by 2. But this case would get rejected because it is already given that b minus a is equal to pi by 3. So the only possible answer of mod of b by a value would be 3, which is answer number D. Question number 146 is from definite integration, and it is we need to find this value of integration 0 to pi by 4, this expression. Now here this box is greatest integer x. Now if x is varying from 0 to pi by 4 is the value which is less than 1. So clearly in this case greatest x would be equal to 0 because x varies from 0 to pi by 4. So the integral simplifies to what? As simple as that, 0 to pi by 4, 10x raised to power 6 plus greatest x is 0, 10x raised to power 4 times dx. Clear? How to simplify this? Clearly 0 to pi by 4, 10x raised to power 4 is getting common out of it, and 10 square x plus 1 would be sec square x. So sec square x dx into 10x raised to power 4. How to solve this integration? It is as simple as that. If we put 10x is equal to t, sec square x dx would be what? Dt. So if we put 10x is equal to t, sec square x dx is nothing but dt, and the integration simplifies to 0 to 1 because tan 0 is 0 and tan pi by 4 is 1. T raised to power 4 dt, hence t raised to power 5 by 5 0 to 1 integration simplifies to, which is nothing but 1 by 5. Hence the answer would be B, 1 by 5. Thank you so much.